The Chandrayaan-3 spacecraft is currently making its way through lunar orbit, on a mission to unlock the mysteries of the Moon. But what exactly is this spacecraft carrying? Let's dive into the payload. The Chandrayaan-3 payload consists of 4 cutting-edge scientific instruments and a technology demonstrator. Each one serves a unique purpose in unraveling the lunar enigma. Chandra's surface thermophysical experiment. First up, we have CHASE, designed to measure the thermal properties of the lunar surface near the polar region. It's like taking the Moon's temperature. Instrument for Lunar Seismic Activity, ILSA, on the other hand, will be our lunar detective. It'll measure seismicity around the landing site and unveil the hidden secrets of the lunar crust and mantle. Laser Retroreflector Array, LRA, is a passive instrument with an important job. It'll measure the distance between Earth and the Moon using laser beams, helping us navigate our celestial neighborhood. Spectropolarimetry of habitable planetary Earth, and finally, SHAPE. This instrument will study the spectral and polarimetric measurements of Earth from the lunar orbit, offering a unique perspective of our home planet from the Moon. The Chandrayaan-3 payload represents a testament to the skill and dedication of Indian scientists and engineers. It's a shining milestone in India's space program and a source of national pride. These payloads were developed in collaboration with scientists from India and other countries, showcasing the spirit of international cooperation in space exploration. Once on the Moon, these instruments are expected to operate for at least 1 lunar year, approximately 354 Earth days, providing a wealth of data to answer crucial questions. So, what will this data help us discover? The Chandrayaan-3 payload aims to answer some fundamental lunar mysteries. Lunar composition. We'll learn about the composition of the lunar surface and regolith, shedding light on the Moon's origins. Lunar resources. Is there water, ice, or other valuable resources on the Moon? This mission might hold the answer. Seismic activity. What's the Moon's seismic activity like? Understanding this is crucial for future lunar missions. Lunar exosphere, and finally, we'll explore the mysteries of the Moon's exosphere, a region holding many surprises. The Chandrayaan-3 payload is a critical stepping stone in India's ambitious lunar exploration program. It's paving the way for future missions to the Moon and beyond, opening up new frontiers in space exploration. Stay tuned as we follow the Chandrayaan-3 mission, bringing you the latest updates and discoveries from the lunar surface. Don't miss out on this incredible journey into the cosmos. Thank you for joining us today on this cosmic adventure. If you found this video enlightening, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more space exploration updates.